What's going on, everybody? Josh with Lebanon Ford Performance. We are here talking Raptor today. So we do a lot of supercharged truck, a lot of supercharged Mustang. We have a lot of fun with custom vehicles. But one thing we're gonna get into real big this year, and especially this summer, is customizing our specialty trucks. Our DSI lifted, our in-house built, and the Ford Raptor, which is absolutely my favorite vehicle you can get other than the Mustang. So this one looks a little bit different than any other Raptor you're gonna see. This is a Ford Performance Blue Raptor. It's the brand new color for 2019, but we took it a step further. So the Raptor typically has a lot of magnetic trim. The bumper, the grille, the front bumper, back bumper, the grille, the fender flares, they're always magnetic. We took all that out and did a full paint match. Everything is Ford Performance Blue. It actually enhances the color, makes it look brighter than any other Raptor in the same color because that magnetic almost dulls the blue out. So this thing is just incredibly sharp. So the grille is probably a nice focal point. It really brings it all together, but my favorite part is the wheels. We powder coated black all the spokes of these 17-inch forged wheels and did the Ford Performance beadlock style ring on the outside in blue. Just a really, really nice, simple touch to tie it together. We blacked out all the lighting, all the side markers, and tinted the front windows as well. And then one thing I really like about the tailgate is kind of where it all comes together. So the only non-blue that we have on the truck is the Ford tailgate bar. So that's in gloss black. Obviously, nice contrast, and then the badges are done in Ford Performance Blue as well. It's an awesome looking truck. We also took out the stock 3.5 exhaust and put in an AWE aggressive exhaust. So we reused the stock tips, but it's a bit it grumbles a bit more, sounds a bit more aggressive, gives that 3.5 liter what it needs to really bring this Raptor all together. The final thing I'll say about this truck is that you see a lot of Raptors go from, you know, the Shelby Raptors, the Raptors, they're all above MSRP vehicles with additional accessories package. This accessories package is included in the price at MSRP, so you're not paying anything over sticker for a Raptor, and you're getting about $5,500 worth of paint and exhaust work to make this thing look like no other Raptor that you're gonna see on the road. You can check this one out. We're gonna have more like it at LebanonFord.com.